This is how we're starting off. Naturally Curlysa. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be using Uncle Funky's daughter. They sent me a PR package with basically everything from their line, almost everything. And I'm excited to use this. I've been ready to use these products for a while, but the price tag is so expensive that I was like, you can't just buy one product from them. Like, you got to buy a few, and it was out of my budget. So I'm happy to try this. So I'm gonna be doing, this is my first YouTube video where I'm gonna be doing my wash day and style in one video. So this is what my hair looks like before. Looks great, doesn't it? For my wash today, I'm going to be using the Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner. It's a co-wash. I don't really do co-washes a lot, but I'm excited to try this out to see. There's Razoo clay and stuff in here. There's some Moroccan lava. They got rocks in here. They got the Benihanas in here. This might be okay. This might be okay. Real natural. And I'm also going to be using the Intensive Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. So both of these together, I'm going to use these. This has silk protein, avocado, and oils in it. So I can't wait to try these. So I'm going to stop talking. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I have a lot more content on there. And let's get to it. I had to do research on these products because they sent me the Curly Magic Stimulator. They sent me that build up and the mask. They sent me the travel kit with the SuperCurl, a thirsty curl, which is kind of like a curl revitalizer. So it refreshes your curls. A midnight train, which is leave-in conditioner, and a smaller version of the Curly Magic, and then they got me an extra butter. So I had to figure out what went with what actually does what, how much am I supposed to apply. So I did some research. Hopefully it works out, the research, but I am excited about this. All right, so first I take this Midnight Train leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna spray it all over my hair. It smells like candy. I read that it's good to put a moisturizer under the curl stimulator. So I am going to be taking the SuperCurl Miracle Moisture Cream. And that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hair before I put the curl stimulator on. It smells super good too. So I'm gonna take some of this Curly Magic curl stimulator. And I was told a little bit goes a long way, so it smells good too. So I think I may shingle this. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. This is not Photoshop, this is real life. This is real life. All right, So I am all finished. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Okay, so this is the back. I don't know if you can see it. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to let this dry. I'm gonna air dry it for a while and then finish letting it dry with the diffuser, and then I'll come back and I'll give my review of every product that I used. Does that sound like a plan, Stan? Alright, so I'll see y'all with the dry hair on the next clip. Alright, so my hair is 95% dry, and when I tell you I am in love with this, I actually went ahead and diffused my hair, and I usually don't diffuse. Like right after I finish, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna diffuse. And diffusing usually takes a very long time, so I don't really do it, but I am shook. My curls are defined. I have volume. So volume and definition with this stuff. My hair feels soft. It doesn't feel crunchy. I'm gonna go through and just review these products of what I thought about each one of them, okay? All right, so I'm gonna start up with the Bye Bye Build Up. I don't usually do co-washes, but I liked it. It made my hair feel really soft. It smelled really good, and I feel like it cleansed my scalp, which is what it's supposed to do. With the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, I really like this too. Like my hair felt really, really soft after using it, and the slip is amazing. The only thing I'm really sad about with this is that during shipping, this actually opened up and spilled on everything. So I tried to save as much as I could of this. I had enough to do my hair. I probably will definitely go out and buy this because this deep conditioner is actually in my top 5. All right, so this leave-in, the Midnite Train leave-in, it smells like candy. It smells really good. I'm not sure if after spraying it on all my hair started drying up. I don't know if I should have just sprayed it in each section and then put the moisturizer and the curl stimulator on it, but spraying it all over my hair kind of dried I don't know if I saw a difference with this Midnite Train, so I'm on the fence about the leave-in conditioner. The SuperCurl Miracle Moisture Cream, I actually liked this. It put a lot of moisture in my hair. It was not too heavy, and it was very lightweight, but it also got the job done. So I really like the SuperCurl, and it smells just like the Midnite Train. It smells really good. It smells like candy. The Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This gel has a lot of slip in it. As soon as it was put on my hair, I felt it melt into my hair. Like I felt it made my hair really soft. I like this, and I'm so glad that they gave me a big bottle of this, and I have a small one too. Overall, this line actually exceeded my expectations. This is more than I could have asked for this line, and the price tag for this is definitely worth it. Because I think this curl stimulator by itself is $21. I see why, and it's worth it. Well, if you haven't tried Uncle Funky's Daughter, I highly recommend that you try something from this line, and they are available at Walmart. If you cannot buy all of them, I would definitely suggest you try to get curl stimulator. It works for all hair types, and go on their website. They actually have what product combos work the best together, and then based on your hair texture, you can take a curl quiz, and it'll actually tell you what products will work best in your hair. So that's all I got for you people. I will see you all on my next video.